In this video, I will show you how to put 9 maximum icons in my favorites bar right here. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. You can see I have 8, but the default is only 5. So if you want to know how to do this, here's how to do it. First, go to Galaxy Store and download the Good Luck app. If you're from an unsupported country, download Fine Luck instead. You're gonna need to open up your Good Luck application, go to the Makeup section, and in here, tap on the Home app module. Then tap Homescreen. And at the top, under the Grid section, you'll see an option that says Favorite Max Count. Mine is set to 5, which is the default, but you can set it all the way up to 9. Then hit Apply. And that's it, you're all done. Just like that, you can now drag any application that you want to be added to your favorites bar. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.